Okay, we're going to see if my 23andMe has arrived. I can't wait. Let's check the mail. Okay, here we go again. No 23andMe, but it looks like I got some postcards. Cool. Mail from my mom. More mail from my mom.
Okay, so this is the beginning of 33andMe. Opening the box. Okay.
You don't have anything written on the slate.
It doesn't matter. I'm actually trying to get the color so we can do that. But you can write something. Okay. This is scene 1, take 1, everything 1, 1, 1. Sort of, with 23andMe. Okay, Mrs. Stephanie Gardner. Films.
So, we got the 23andMe box in the mail, finally. I kept checking and checking and checking, and it wasn't there. And then I got 5 postcards from my friend Mary Grace, which was exciting. And then finally, the 23andMe box came. So let's open it up and see what we have to do to learn about my ancestry. And this says, see what your 23 pairs of chromosomes says about you, which I am most interested in learning. And maybe there's a hidden secret I never knew about myself. So here I go, I'm gonna open it up. Let's see if I can put this light. This was sent to me in a little town called Lama, New Mexico, home of the Llama Foundation, which you should definitely check out. It's a pretty cool place. Beautiful, beautiful mountain scenery. This is a little awkward box. I don't want to destroy anything. I imagine this is supposed to be super sterile. Uh-oh. There we go. Welcome to you. Woohoo! Okay. It says, hi, let's get started. So I gotta register online at 23andme.com/start. Says that way we know it belongs to you when it arrives at our lab. We cannot process your sample unless it's registered. It is a good idea to write down the barcode number on the saliva collection tube and keep it for future reference, or take a picture if that's easier. That's a good idea. Register this kit now at 23andme.com/start. And here's the little saliva kit. So I guess I spit into that, and then that helps determine my ancestry, my DNA. This is all very scientific. Before mailing, register your kit following the user instructions. Otherwise, your sample will not be processed. Well, they've told us that 3 times, so it must be very important. Oh, this is good to know. It says no food or drink for 30 minutes. Spit to fill line. That looks like a lot of spit. Close funnel. Detached funnel, screw-on cap, seal and bag, and mailing kit. Well, I just ate a big breakfast, so I'm gonna have to wait to do the actual saliva spit test. So I'll come back once that's done, and we'll get going with this. This is super exciting. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and we'll keep you posted about our 23andMe and our future 33andMe travel plans, which I can't wait to tell you more about. Thanks for tuning in.
Cool. That was great. Okay. Tail 6.